14 Chic Chalkboard paint ideas for grown-up spaces. Turn an untapped nook in your abode into a small home office with chalkboard paint. Luxe Design, an interior design firm based in Canada, created this example shown in a tiny apartment. The blackboard walls carve out space for a stainless steel desk and black leather desk chair. The best part? All the furnishings seemingly disappear into the dark corner, which makes the tiny room feel much bigger. Tux, the DIY enthusiast and home chef behind the blog Brooklyn Homemaker, despised the kitchen in his rental because it was not pretty and worse, felt outdated. Painting the wall directly above his countertops solved the problem. The new chalkboard Backsplash added chic contrast to his cooking space while creating a spot to jot down a grocery list. You will never miss an appointment again with a calendar-inspired accent wall like this one by Inhabit Interiors, situated in Baltimore, Maryland. After painting the wall with black chalkboard, paint strips of woods were added to create the calendar. The layout. There is so much to love in this cooking space by Crown Point Cabinetry out of Claremont, New Hampshire. First, let's talk about the room's focal point, a chalkboard wall with a built-in wood-burning pizza oven and fireplace. The trio transforms the kitchen into an Italian bistro. The white subway tile wall enhances the restaurant feeling. The finishing touches are the booth-style seating and vintage dining table. In a contemporary cooking space by London-based interior design firm Cardin Cunietti, pantry doors get a new look with black chalkboard paint. When the doors are closed, the painted surface transforms into a dark accent wall. Chapiture White Architecture, situated in Shelter Island, New York, created this classic black and white kitchen for a local client. While the beadboard cabinetry has a distinctive retro farmhouse look, the chalkboard wall is a bold, contrasting feature that feels fresh and modern. For us, it was love at first sight when we spotted this charming mudroom by BGD&C Home Builders, based in Chicago, Illinois. A walnut locker unit with a built-in storage bench offers up tons of room to stash seasonal outerwear. Covering the walls are easy-to-clean subway tiles topped off with a chalkboard border with welcoming messages. If painting an entire wall with chalkboard paints sounds daunting, steal this decorating tip from Luster Custom Homes out of Arizona. The design team created this large freestanding chalkboard specifically for this client's dining room. The gorgeous kitchen in this Spanish-style California house, renovated by Vidal Design Collaborative, is brimming with color and pattern, from the Moroccan tile Backsplash to the French blue Ilve Majestic range. The professional-grade refrigerator is concealed behind custom white cabinetry with chalkboard paint doors. The chalkboard accent wall personalizes this small modern farmhouse-inspired dining space by Stephanie Krause Designs, based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The design team wanted the rest of the room to feel bright and cheerful, so the adjoining walls and ceilings were painted decorators white by Benjamin Moore. The white Saarinen tulip-style dining table set is an iconic mid-century modern piece of furniture that works well in small spaces because of its clean lines and simple design. This chic black and white bathroom by Zoe Feldman Design out of Washington, D.C. pairs chalkboard walls with gorgeous marble, basket weave-inspired floor tile. The classic pedestal sink is finished off with polished nickel fixtures, and a brass mirror hangs above. Keeping the ceiling white creates the illusion of extra height. Here is a modern farmhouse-inspired wet bar by Herlong & Associates Architecture, situated in Charleston, South Carolina. Anchoring the nook is a chalkboard wall with stained wood shelves and a Carrara marble. White base cabinets and a wine fridge keep additional bar supplies out of sight. Hanging over the small sink is a vintage pendant light with a contemporary concrete shade. Spice up a subway tile Backsplash with a chalkboard inlay, as shown in this Butler's Pantry by Norman Design Group out of Torrance, California. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.